Gwillimdale Farms is a fifth-generation family farm located 45 kilometers north of Toronto in the town of Bradford. It's a very diverse farm. It grows a total of 5,000 acres of crop with 1,500 acres of vegetables and 3,500 acres of grains and oilseeds. It's a very sustainable farm in taking in different technologies and always looking for new technologies from all over the world.
So the reality is we've tried many different pieces of equipment throughout the last couple of years in our facility. We kept going back to the Wyma equipment time and time again. We had pulled a line out in and out of our facility 3 times, and it's at that point where we realized that Wyma was the equipment that we were after. Working with Volm and Wyma on the installation was a very thorough process. We had project managers from Volm's side of view. We had a project manager from Wyma. We had a full installation team from Wyma come over from New Zealand. Wyma's engineering this for unique challenges for every facility. That's why Volm has their project managers and their sales engineers involved. Wyma has their project managers and engineers involved, but we feel that Wyma's commitment and Volm's commitment to the final success of the product is there. We've been able to nearly double our production on our carrots, so we're probably around anywhere between 200 and 300,000 pounds of finished product per day. Volm and Wyma, they met all our needs here at Gwillimdale, and there's no reason why we wouldn't recommend Volm and Wyma's Total Solution Package.
We value educating consumers on our product, its nutritional benefits, where it comes from, and the industry-leading equipment and technologies that we use before it is put on the shelf in front of them. It is important to us that our customers and consumers know the care, quality, and extra mile we go in everything that we do. Giving back is at the core of our values, and we hope everybody gets to experience the Gwillimdale difference.